Umuulan siya guys. Oh. Sama ng panahon namin. Umuulan. Aga-aga. Anong oras pa lang past 8 ng umaga. May kidlat-kidlat pa. Kaya walang pasok. May bagyo yata dito sa amin. Hindi lang ang Pinas. Uy, ang lamig. Pero hindi naman siya masyadong mahangin, guys. Pero malamig. Promises. Dito guys, wala makikita sa tao. Wala makikitang tao sa labas. Para mga walang tao. Pero sa loob niyan, makakatulong dyan, 4 na Pinay. Yan. Katulong din dyan, 2 Pinay din. Lakas ng ulan guys. Lamig, sarap matulog. Magkape tas matulog. Wala. Kaya pala cancel ang pasok. Yan. So yan lang muna guys. Bye! Guys, good morning. No, don't go there. You cannot show your face to the video.
I want to see.
Cannot.
I want to see.
Makulit kasi siya. Aray ko! I step on my foot.
What's this?
Hala ka, you break. Hala ka.
Why he break?
I don't know. You just go near there and then the door is become broken. How? You have magic, See the door so fast.
Oh,
Heavy.
very heavy.
Yeah, heavy. Be careful. You hit your feet. Sige, you hit your feet. Aray ko.
Did he give me?
Yeah.
Put the
What?
chef. Mommy.
Yeah, malamig dito guys. Kaya magtitimpla tayo ng sobrang lamig. Umuulan. Lakas. Lamig. Sana hindi kami lalabas. Tara guys, timpla tayo ng kape. What do you want to take there?
I said no, I want that chocolate.
Chocolate so early. Cannot. You're not even eat.
I want chocolate.
TH tayo mag-English guys.
I want
Broken English. Huh?
I want chocolate.
You want chocolates?
Yeah.
So early? Isang yan.
I want.
You haven't eaten it. You haven't eat also your bread. You asked me to do, but you didn't eat.
I don't know.
Then you want chocolates? Close that. Hot sauce. Close the fridge. Don't do like that. Your mom will see you. Sige. Huh?
Mom, let's eat.
You're sleeping? She's inside the room. Huh? Uy, close that. You're so stubborn. I told you, it's a hot sauce. Basta guys. Yan yung hatid sundo ko sa school na bata. Na kulit. What you doing? Ayo. See your coffee? You still want chocolates? You're so stubborn.
What?
Close the door. Close.
Wait.
Not funny.
Hey, Daddy!
Up to you. It's up to you. Okay guys.
Okay.
Finish that, okay?
Where's that, okay?
Why you follow me? Naman ako. What's up?
Naman.
Sundan mo naman ako. Dalagang Pilipina. What's that song? You know the song, right? You and Fahad.
Mim Salmon.
Yeah, you and Salman. Sorry. Okay. You know. See? Our window, we cannot see already outside.
Yeah.
It's heavy rain.
Oh my.
Naman ako. Oh, careful.
At naman ko. Wala.
Sit down.
Naman ko.
Dalagang Pilipina. Tignan mo naman ako. Sa
Naman.
mga mata mo. Huwag kang kumaripas ng takbo.
Awi ta.
Yeah, naman ako.
Ako naman ako.
Oh, see, you finish your bread there. You asked me to do. What?
Look like that scratch.
Don't waste your food.
We scratch it. We scratch it. We scratch it. We scratch it. See?
You want to eat rice and egg? Oh, you want porridge?
What?
Porridge, yeah. Rice with the chicken, like that, chicken.
You eat rice and chicken?
Yeah. No one.
Let's rice and egg. And let's rice and
Careful.
Abinasada putatachi. We finished.
What?
We finished.
You finish. Say, I'm about to finish my coffee then.
We finished that.
You finish. And then, good. Ulit. Ay! 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 Naman ako.
Naman ako.
Sa mga mata mo.
Tidak sabar kata Naman ako. Kami juta solas Filipina.
Ako'y dalagang Pilipina.
Naman ako.
Tignan mo naman ako. Sa mga mata mo. Kang kumalipas ng pakbo. That's it. Hindi ko alam yun, guys. Kaya, ewan. Ewan, dalagang Pilipina. Something like that. Salman will teach you. You do that. Finish your milk then. I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy.
See, my eyes become small.
My eyes.
Sige na guys, bye-bye na.
Bye na.